Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I want to quickly show you this exchanges update. Exchanges arbitrage means it is buying from one particular platform very low and go and sell on another platform and make your profit from the price difference. And if you like this kind of updates, what you need to do is just to subscribe and turn on the notification button. The reason why you need to turn on the notification button is because you will be receiving or you will be getting notified anytime I post updates like this, and you'll be the first to go and carry it out before others. So what we need to do now is to hop in hop into our trade and carry it out. If you notice, there is liquidity here. It's movement. You can see the movement of price, so there is much liquidity here. We want to use limit order for this particular arbitrage. I repeat myself, limit order, not market order. Okay, fine, let me just explain this again. The reason why I use limit order is because the merchants are selling very far from the current market price. The current market price is the price you are seeing here, that in the middle here. Then the merchant price are the one you are seeing movement of price, the red and the blue, the green here. So if you want to buy with market order, you are not going to buy from this middle, from the current market price. Rather, you are buying from the merchants here, which is at time might earn you in loss. You will not make profit because actually the merchants are selling very high from this current market price. If the price of merchants and the current market price were the same, we would have actually used market order, but since it's not the same, we need to use limit order. So I've explained myself now. I've done justice to this again. We want to use $250 for 250 USDT for this. Why is it 250 USDT? It depends on the network address you are dealing with. Such as Ethereum charge very high when it comes to fee charge. So you need to use big capital so that the charges might not eat up your profit. If we were using exchange network address like BIP20 and other Solano network, you would have used like 50 or 30 USDT for it. So it depends on the network address you are operating on. So since we are operating on Ethereum network address, we need to use high capital so as to secure some profit. So let's insert 250. With our 250 USD, you will see we have 6,600,000 something of RST. So we now copy it. Let's go and complete our transaction and see how much we will be making. Come to wallet here. We are buying from this exchange and we need to click on withdraw to transfer it to another exchange. So what we are going to do is to click on RST here. Once you click on SRT, once you click on SRT here, this will pop up. You can see the network address is Ethereum, that is ARC20. So you now paste in the amount of coin you have bought. Once you paste in here, look down here, you will see the fee they charge. They actually charge 449,583 SRT as their charge fee. That is very high. If you can calculate it, it will be like 12 USDT and above, which is very high. That is why we need to use high capital. If you like what you are watching, just like and subscribe. Also share the video, please. And what we need to do now is check down. You are going to see the amount of coin you will receive in the other exchange. You will receive the 162423. So let's go to another exchange and see how if we are going to make profits. So now we are on this exchange. We are going to use limit order. Remember, I said limit order. Please stay tuned, because at the end of this video I'm going to actually call the names of those exchanges involved in this arbitrage. So let's first in the amount we have left. see it was 6162423. You can see we will have $6, sorry, a profit of 6 USDT. We started this with 250 USDT and we have been able to accumulate another 6 USDT added to the $250, making it 256 USDT. So our profit here is 6 USDT. We have made a profit of 6 USDT. Is this not awesome? You can see there is liquidity moving right now. So if you actually use limit order, I assure you it's not even up to 6 hours your trade will execute and you come and sell and make profit. Okay, make sure you use limit order. So if you like the kind of content I'm dropping for you guys, please do well to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I drop videos like this. The two exchanges that are involved in this arbitrage are Gate.io and Mex. I bought on Gate.io and I now come and sell on Mex, and you can see the profit. So you can go